Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Varun Poladia. I guess you already know me. And this is the first time I'm showing up my face on my camera. Uh, Given to feedback that I received from several people, they thought that YouTubers should have their faces, they should be talking on the camera. So here I am. This is where we are getting started. And today is Diwali. So happy Diwali to all of you. I'm sure this video is getting uploaded at least a few weeks after Diwali. So belated happy Diwali to all of you. And today I'm at this hotel in Ahmedabad called Courtyard by Marriott Ahmedabad. This is on Satellite Road, I think, it's called Satellite maybe, I don't know. And I'll just get started with the room tour. So here we go. Yeah. All right, so this is the entrance. You can see it's like a grand entrance, it seems. Thank you. So this is the reception of the hotel. It looks pretty nice. Yeah. Look at that. How huge. It's Diwali, so the occupancy is a bit low, which is good for me because I don't like a lot of people in the video. This is, oops, sorry for that gimbal, new one, so getting used to it. So this is for Diwali, I guess, something that they're doing. Yep. Alright, so this is the entrance, and behind this, on the other side, they have the Momo Cafe. So currently this is where all the meals are also being served. So you have beverages, you have meals out there, and this is a tour. Obviously we'll have a separate video for all the meals. We'll be recording the meals later on. So let's get to the room now. And that's the reception. Right. Okay, we are here. Oops, I'm sorry about the camera. What happened? It's better to take another elevator. I'll just pause the video till then. Okay, here we are again. We're getting started, and one good thing is that they have the sanitizer in the elevator. Okay. And here's our room. Welcome to the room, everyone. Well, it's just me. Yeah. Okay, getting started with the washroom here. Not something that should be shown on a video, but okay. The towels and the amenity kit here, soap, lotion. I don't see a weighing scale here, so I don't know if that's it. Okay, so this is the view from the washroom that you get. There's a curtain, but I have lifted it up for now. There's the shower, all the necessary accessories that you need while bathing. Tea and coffee, which hardly anyone uses. And this is the room. This is nice. It's an elephant and a welcome note. Yes. So the entire room here. Okay, so they've given two small sachets of sanitizer. These are not exactly what I don't know if this is even useful or not, because at most hotels I've seen that they've given at least like a portable small bottle of sanitizer. Okay, but yeah, we laud their efforts and thinking that okay, sanitizers are important. Thanks for that. And this is non-alcoholic beer, but I don't drink, so. And anyway, it's Ahmedabad, so you can't get any alcoholic drinks. So this was complimentary, and because today is Diwali, they've given sweets for Diwali. So thanks for this. Here's the sofa, very comfortable. And this is Diwali wish again. So yes, with the firecracker. I don't know if it's even allowed to burn that in the room. Obviously not. Okay, so this is the view from the room outside. So the entire city is visible. I'm on the 5th floor right now. Might not practically be the 5th floor. According to the numbering system, is the 5th. So it's a pretty good view, and I think in a regular building it would be about 7th, 8th floor maybe. So yeah, that's the view. You can see nice view, good sunlight, and here we are done with the room video. Thanks everyone, thanks guys, and stay tuned for the next video.